From my book, Rediscover Algebra and Trigonometry, here is an example to simplify multi-layer fractions. On page 22, you'll find many more examples to practice. Let us see how do we simplify 2 over 3 plus 3 over 4, everything divided by 1 minus 5 over 6. One of the best ways is to work on numerators and denominators separately. So the numerator, let me say, numerator is what? In this case, numerator is 2 over 3 plus 3 over 4. You can take a common denominator of 3 times 4, which is 12. To make equivalent fractions with denominator of 12, just cross multiply. So 4 times 2, 8, and 3 times 3, 9. So what you get here is 9 plus 8, 17 over 12. So that is the part of numerator. Now let's also simplify denominator. Denominator in this case is 1 minus 5 over 6. So 1 minus 5 over 6, take common denominator of 6. So we get 6 minus 5, which is equal to 1 over 6. So basically, this multi-layer fraction can now be written as 17 over 12 divided by 1 over 6. Now, key idea here is that dividing by a fraction is equivalent to multiplying by reciprocal, right? So we have written it here. Dividing by fraction is multiplying by its reciprocal. So we are dividing 17 by 12 and then by 1 by 6. So it could be now written as 17 over 12 times 6 over 1. Makes sense. You can simplify it. 6 goes 2 times. And so the result is 17 over 2. So I hope these steps help you to understand and visualize how do we work with multi-layer fractions. So if convenient, you can do like this, what I've done, numerator and denominator separately simplify, and then dividing one by another is same as multiplying by the reciprocal of denominator, and then simplify the terms to get your answer. You get 17 over 2 as your answer.